What's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to cheat at skateboarding. This is a hack that can make you really good, really fast without getting hurt. And all you need is a bike rack. So if you live near any college, in a parking garage or next to some of the dorms, there's probably going to be some bike racks. This is next to the chemistry building at the University of Kentucky. We've got these. We've got some really nice benches over there. These things are waxed and they slide good. You can get some skateboarding stickers stuck on that one, so you know people have skated this for a while. So I've been messing around skating with these things for years now. I went to school here, but I don't think I've ever made a video talking about it. So all you do is take your hands, stick them in here like you're working out, so you can lift yourself for as long as you really need to. So you can take the time to let your feet do whatever they need to do. So these things are really good for kick flips and heel flips. They're not as good for 180s or anything that has to spin around or turn like a shove it. It's much better for tricks that just flip straight over. So let's try with the kick flip first. So got a pebble or something. Oh, I didn't even get it. All right. So now we're gonna go for the heel flip. I didn't get the heel flip first try. That's surprising because usually the heel flip's the easiest thing on here.